Hello friends, is your car struggling with acceleration, misfiring, or running rough? If your check engine light is on and the scanner shows code P0289, it means cylinder 10 injector circuit low. This issue can cause poor fuel economy, power loss, and even severe engine damage. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0289 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's begin. What is P0289? P0289 stands for cylinder 10 injector circuit low. This means that the fuel injector for cylinder 10 is receiving less voltage than expected, which can result in lean fuel mixture or injector failure. Common symptoms of P0289: check engine light on, engine misfiring or running rough, loss of acceleration and power, poor fuel economy, hard starting or stalling, and unusual engine noises due to lean fuel mixture. If left unresolved, this issue can lead to severe engine damage and affect overall performance. Sensor location. Where to check. To diagnose and fix P0289, inspect these key locations. Cylinder 10, fuel injector, located near the intake manifold or cylinder head, connected to the fuel rail. Fuel rail pressure sensor, mounted on the fuel rail, responsible for monitoring fuel pressure. Injector wiring harness, runs along the engine bay, supplying power to the injector. Engine control unit, located in the engine bay or under the dashboard, managing fuel injection timing. Fuel pressure regulator, found on the fuel rail or inside the fuel tank, controlling fuel flow. A fault in any of these components can trigger P0289. Alright, let's talk about some common causes of the P0289 code. First, a faulty fuel injector. This can happen if the injector is clogged or failing, which leads to low fuel flow. Second, low fuel pressure. This issue might arise from a failing pressure regulator or a fuel pump that isn't supplying enough fuel. Third, wiring issues. Corroded, damaged, or loose injector wiring can disrupt the circuit. Fourth, an ECU malfunction. A faulty engine control unit can send incorrect voltage to the injector. And finally, a dirty or clogged fuel filter. This restricts the fuel flow to the injectors, causing problems. Now let's go through the steps to fix the P0289 code. Step 1. Inspect and replace the cylinder 10 fuel injector if it's faulty. Step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor for any defects. Step 3. Inspect the injector wiring harness for any signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Step 4. Test the fuel pump and fuel pressure regulator to ensure they are supplying the proper fuel. Step 5. Replace the fuel filter if it's clogged or dirty. And Step 6. Reset the ECU with an obd2 scanner after completing all the repairs. So, to wrap things up, P0289 is a fuel injector circuit issue affecting cylinder 10. It can lead to poor performance and fuel inefficiency. Fixing it early will restore power and prevent costly engine damage. If you want to learn more about fuel system issues, make sure to watch these next videos. P0253, injection pump, fuel metering control, a low, and P0254, injection pump fuel metering control, a high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips. Thank you for watching, and happy repairing.